Hello everyone, this is Ridhima from Goals. So today I'm going to introduce some new pens of calligraphy to you. So this is one pen. So it has a nib like this, like a fountain pen. And these pens, they come with, a lot of nibs, which is of different numbers. So when you're doing calligraphy, you require different nibs for making different alphabets. Then other than this, there is this Isomars calligraphy pen. So it has a nib like this. It also contains some colors, like 4 colors are available in the packet, so you can buy from market. These are some ink which you need to refill in them, so this is also important. And there is this Sky Gold 6 ink cartridges, so I'll show you how they are. So these are these small cartridges. So what happens is you just have to open your pen and you have to insert one inside. So like this, it is here, so you'll insert in it, you'll just close the pen and you are good to go. You can use it. Like for example, if your ink is not working, so what you have to do, you have to take some water in a glass and just dip your nib in the water, and then it will start working. So today I'm going to teach you Gothic style calligraphy. So this is a different type of copy. As you can see, the earlier one was different. This is different with no lines, only dots. So this will be very helpful for us to write. So let's start with the basic strokes of Gothic. Now we'll do same stroke double times. Whenever your pen stops working, just dip it in water, and with a cloth also just touch the tip. So now again, and now see my, like, it stopped working, so it happens. Then some other strokes. I will suggest you, if you are a beginner, use dotted copies or copies with lines. Don't go for plain pages or plain drawing sheets. If you will try directly on them, then you will not be able to understand the height and the breadth of the alphabet or the strokes, and you'll get confused. You will not get proper strokes. So it's better for starters you try in such copies. So I'll directly write Gothic for you, which will contain few letters. So this is how Gothic is written. So as you can see, I have given some strokes. Then I have written all the alphabets A to X, A to Z. So this way Gothic works. Now I am going to write my name and show you guys in Gothic style. So as you can see, I have written all the alphabets from A to Z in small. Then the quotation, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Then some few words, my name, my nickname, then face, carbon, jackal, doll, deck, mop, like, glee, hand. So it's all about alphabets. Once you have command on the style, on Gothic style, you can write, and I personally feel it's a beautiful calligraphy and you must try it. I will be teaching in the further classes. So that's it for now. I'll come up with other fonts in next video. Take care. Bye.